What's up, y'all? The Thai Saucery here in downtown Las Vegas. We're walking. That's Honey. And we are on our daily 30-minute walk. We do this 5 days a week. And my feet are killing me. So, but this is how I gather my thoughts to figure out what I'm going to do for the day. And what I foresee so far, I have to actually make a delivery run and pick up some cannabis and deliver it to where it needs to go. Not illegal. Anyways, so we're going to be heading out to do that as soon as we're done our walk. And she's really good on the leash. Look at that loose leash. Look at that loose leash. Honey. Gotta go. Gotta get it go. What was that? Gotta go. What was that? Oh, I heard something. Anyways. So yeah, going out to the dispensary. Not sure which one yet until I get there. But I have to meet up also with call it a client, call it a friend, call it whatever you want. But I have to meet up with the person that has creative attributes to their skills. And I'm going to talk to them about whatever skills that they foresee putting into effect. Yeah, so we'll definitely be checking in on that one. But that's not until later. As for now, we're just going to make that dispensary trip and make that happen. So. What's up? We're headed out to the West Gate. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hey, y'all can see that though. Anyways, West Gate. Going to hang out with Trooper Thursday. I think it's a 1-3 game. That starts at 4 all the way up until whenever. And they're $1 $3, but it's a fun game. You know, out of 4 or 5 times, I think I only walked the way down twice. Maybe once. No, I haven't went that many times. Twice. No, once. One time I broke even. Anyways, we're heading in here, and hopefully we can keep the momentum going. Just came from the Sahara, and it's a pretty good game. I freaking dropped 60 in the freaking 1-2 game, you know, before the tournament. But then I got in the tournament and hung around long enough to go on a rush and ended up winning it for, I think it was 350. So we're pretty much up. We're pumped up today. And we're going to get it on when we go in the Westgate, because we're reading correctly today, people. We're reading everything right.